First point is postulate is absolutely correct. Now I'll give you some examples. You take the English word three. In Sanskrit it is three. In Russian it is three. In Irish it is three. In Greek and Latin it is threes. If you in Lithuanian it is threes. Whereas you compare the South Indian languages, you have Moonru, Mudu, Muji. All these you can make out it is some completely different thing. And this is the same thing. You see the Persian numbers: yak, du, si, chahar, panj, shish, haft, hasht, nuh, dah. You can make out the connection. You see the names for the relations. For example, father, mother, brother, sister, son, daughter. In Sanskrit, it is pitar, matar, bhratar, swasar, sunu, duhitar. And in Persian, it is pidar, madar, biradar, khosar, hunu, and duhitar. You can see all these things are there. You take the personal pronouns. In Sanskrit, English, you say we, you, and they. In Sanskrit, it is vayam, yuyam, and te. In Sanskrit, you also have two other personal pronouns. Na means we, and vah means you. Nas or vas. And in Latin, it is nos and vos. So you see, whatever you, and this I'm just giving some single examples. When you examine these languages in the roots, you find that every part, even the verbal roots from which the words, the dhatu which earlier speakers have spoken of, the dhatu or the verbal roots of the words, they are related in all these Aryan languages, whether it is Greek, Latin, English, or Sanskrit. Daudrops means dewdrops. You just examine every word, you see the similarity between everything. Whereas it is not so in Tamil or this. For example, in India, there are now 12 branches of Aryan languages in the world. 2 of them are extinct languages which have been just discovered in archaeological inscriptions, and 10 are living branches. They are the Indo-Aryan, Iranian, Armenian, Albanian, Greek, Baltic, Slavic, Italic, Germanic, and Celtic. And the 2 extinct languages are Hittite and Tokharian. They have been found in excavation. They are not living languages today. Hittite has been found in Palestine and Turkey. And Tokharian has been found in Chinese Turkestan or Xinjiang. They have been found in inscriptions and all that. Those are not living languages today. So these are the 12 branches of Aryan languages. And in India, you find 6 different language families being spoken. One is the Aryan or Indo-European, which we have already said. It includes almost all the official languages of India, Pakistan, Bangladesh, Sri Lanka, Afghanistan.